Morning, my dear children. Today we will be doing remaining workbook problems. So everybody open your workbook. Open your workbook. And
Ma'am, page number?
page number 19. Page number 19. Question number 22. So Ameya, please read question number 22.
EJ bought a book for rupees 24.
Hmm.
A
Ruler means scale.
ruler
Hmm.
for rupees 14 and
Hmm.
a pen for
Hmm.
rupees 80.
Hmm.
The
Three.
three of these friends
Hmm.
shared the cost
Hmm.
equally
Hmm.
with him.
Hmm.
How much money did each of Vijay's
Hmm.
friends
Hmm.
give him?
Yes. So, my dear children, what is the cost of a book? Cost of a book? 24.
24.
As all of you write
24.
along with me. All of you write along with me.
Next question I can read.
Cost of a book equal to rupees 24. And what is the cost of pen? Sorry, ruler?
14.
14. So, cost of a ruler is equal to rupees 40. Then, what is the cost of a pen?
18.
Cost of a pen equal to rupees 80. Now, how we will find the total cost of all these things? How will find the total cost? What do you have to do? Do you want to add or subtract or multiply, divide? What we have to do?
Multiply.
Do you want to multiply all these amount?
Yes. No, divide.
I told you to find total, please don't divide.
Yes.
Division is on always for finding the number of objects in each group or the number of groups, not to find total. Sorry, Andrea? Add. Very good, my dear. Very good. We have to add to find total cost. You want to add all these amount. Okay. So here we have to add all these amount to find total cost. That is the question they have asked. Anyway, we have to find this. So total cost rupees 24 plus rupees 14 plus rupees 80. All of you add and tell me the answer.
Ma'am, 46.
Not 46. Somewhere you made mistake. I'll show you that. Small mistake is there. 24, 14, 80.
56.
Yes. Here 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 8, you will get 8 plus 8. What you will get?
56.
16. So in 16, 6 we will write here. 1 carry to the next place. 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2. 3.
3.
3 plus 2. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. So 56. Have you understood your mistake? Maybe you missed the carryover. That's why you forgot to do the regrouping. That's why you
The
got
next question I
46.
can read.
Sorry. Yes, Gauri. I'll give you a chance. Now, not over. This question is not over. My dear children, this is the total cost. But they told us to find out how much money did each of Vijay's friends give. That means this total cost, this is the total cost. This amount is shared by equally by Vijay and his three friends. Vijay and his three friends. So total how many persons are there? Total how many? Vijay and his three friends means how many persons are there?
Two.
Oh. Vijay and his three friends.
Four.
Four. Three friends plus Vijay. So 3 plus 1, 4 are there. So this rupees 56 is shared equally among these four persons. And we have to find how much amount each one paid. So what we have to do? Get that?
Multiplied.
Divide, because we have to find each one how much they paid. So for that you have to divide rupees 56 by 4. So you can write this step. The total cost is, all of you write along with me. The total cost is shared among, the total cost is shared among 4 persons. That means Vijay and his three friends. So the cost paid by each of them. Cost paid by each of them equal to rupees 56 by divided by 4. Anyway, 56, is it coming in the table of 4?
No.
No. So we have to follow the steps and do the division. So 56 divided by 4. So first we have to divide 5 or 6.
5.
5. We have to start from the leftmost digit. So 5 we have to divide. Now we can follow the steps C, D, M, S, B. First what we have to do? We have to compare. So 5 is less than 4 or greater than 4?
Greater than 4.
Greater than. So we can divide
Greater than 4.
5 by 4. Now, comparison step over.
Divide.
Next step is
Divide.
divide. So for that what we have to do? We have to write the table and check whether will we get the dividend 5 or less. Otherwise we have to go for a less and nearest number. So we can write the table. 1 into 4.
4.
2 4s are
8.
8. 1 4 is 4. 2 4s are 8. Our dividend is 5. Whether if we are continuing like this, will we get 5?
No.
So we can stop writing the table. So we can go for a less and nearest number. Can we take
4.
8?
No.
Because it is greater. So we can take 1 4 is 4. From this 4 divided by 4 is equal to
1.
1. That we can write on the top of the bracket. And next step is
Multiply.
multiply. 1 into 4. You have to multiply the quotient and the divisor.
4.
1 into 4 is 4.
4.
Next step is
Subtraction.
subtraction. Very good. 5 minus 4. What do you will get?
1.
1.
1.
And next step is
Breakdown.
bring down. Bring down.
6.
Down this 6.
6.
Now we have to divide 16 by 4. You have to follow all these steps again. So first
Yes.
comparison. 16 is greater than 4 or less than 4?
Greater.
Greater. So we can divide 16 by 4. Now we can continue the table. 2 4s are 8. 3 4s are
16.
3 4s are
3 4
12.
12.
4 4s are
16.
16. So from this 16 divided by 4 is equal to
16.
16 divided by 4 is equal to
4.
4. That 4 we can write on the top after 1. Now next step is
Subtraction.
no. Before that we have to do one thing. Division over. Next step is
Multiply.
multiply. 4 4s are
16.
16. That already written there. So multiplication over. Next step is subtraction. So 16 minus 16?
0.
0. So here no more digits to bring down. So we can stop the division. Now what is the answer we got? Quotient
14.
14. Here we divided rupees 56. So the answer is rupees 14. So each one should pay rupees 14. Or each one paid rupees 14. Now next page all of you take.
Mama, I can read.
Yes. Gauri, no? Asking permission.
Yes.
Gauri, take page number 20. First question. 21 divided by 3. My dear children, when you get a question like this, you have to check whether 21 is coming in the table of
3 and 7.
yes, it is coming. 21 is coming in the table of.
You can show the 22 the question once more, please.
Over. It fast and neatly.
Division set.
Advait, have you completed now? Here, have you completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, dash into 3 is equal to 21. You know?
7.
7 into 3 is equal to 21. So, 21 divided by 3 is equal to
7.
7. So, all of you write in the blank space 7 and write D. Next question to Anna Rose.
Ma'am, every division fact has dash multiplication fact.
Yes. How many? I'll show you one example. 9 divided by 3 is equal to 3.
Yes.
No need. 18 divided by 2 is equal to 9. From this?
Ma'am, 3.
2. Yes, 2 9s are 18. That is the one multiplication fact. Can we write 9 2s are 18?
Yes.
So how many we can write?
2.
2. Option A.
Ma'am.
Next question to Bandhan.
Again.
Give you a chance, my dear, please.
Yes, ma'am.
Bandhan. Next question. Will you read?
Yes, ma'am. 16 divided by 4.
16 divided by 4. Whether
Ma'am,
16 is
4.
coming in the table of 4.
Yes.
Yes, it is coming in the table of 4. So if you are writing the table, what into 4 you get 16?
4.
4
Ma'am,
4s
4.
are 16. Very good.
16.
So from this 16 divided by 4 is equal to 16 divided by 4 is equal to
4.
4. So option B 4.
In 45. Ma'am, आप दो इधर
Yes.
9.
Fourth question, Advait can read.
45 divided by 5 is
The quotient, QUOTIENT means quotient. Okay.
quotient.
The quotient in
9.
yes, 45 is coming in the table of 5. 45 divided by 5, in that 45 is coming in the table of 5. 9 5s are, we will get 45. So 45 divided by 5 is equal to
9.
9. Very good. So option D. Next question, Asher. Asher, please read the next question.
Ma'am, 1 by 3.
Abhinav, read the next question.
Ma'am, the remainder when 81 is divided by 9 is
Dash.
Ma'am,
And when you get a question like this, first you check whether the dividend is coming in the table of divisor. Here the dividend is 81 and the divisor is 9. You have to check whether 81 is coming in the table of 9. Wait, my dear. See the question. Remainder, not quotient they ask. So, if the dividend is coming in the table of divisor, you can, without dividing, you can say the remainder will be 0.
Yes.
Otherwise, you have to divide and check. Here, 81 is coming in the table. Is it coming in the table of 9?
Yes. Yes.
Somebody said no.
Ma'am, yes.
Yes, because 9 9s are 81. It is coming in the table of 9. So we can say remainder will be 0.
0.
If it is coming like that, the remainder will be 0. Option B. What I will show you, 81 divided by 9. 8 is less, so you have to put a 0. Now you can divide 81. 9 9s are 81. Subtraction 0 0. No more digits to bring down, so you can stop the division. What is the remainder here? What is the remainder over here? 0. So, if the dividend is coming in the table of divisor, the remainder will be 0. Okay. Now, next question to Siddharth.
Yes, ma'am. The quotient when 42 is divided by is
When the quotient when 42 is divided by 6 is dash. Whether 42 is coming in the table of 6.
yes.
Yes. What into 6 you get 42?
7.
Please. Others also please respond. 7 into 6 is equal to 42. So from this, 42 divided by 6 is equal to how much?
7.
7. So all of you can write 7. Option C. Now, next question to Adhika.
8 by 15.
Question number 7. Adhika, please read.
Yes, ma'am. The quotient when a number is divided by itself is always
Is dash. That means 3 divided by 3, 100 divided by 100, 20 divided by 20. What you will get?
1.
1. When a number is divided by itself, the quotient will be 1. Next question to Rekha. Rekha,
Say remainder when 37 is divided by 5 is dash.
here we have to find the remainder. So, whether 37 is coming in the table of 5?
No.
So, we can't write 0. Without dividing, we can't write 0. So, we can divide and check. 37 divided by 5. First digit is 3. 3 is less than 5 or greater than 5?
Less than 5.
Less than 5. So, can we divide?
No.
No. So you have to put a 0 on the top. If it is less, you can't divide. You cannot divide. So you have to put a 0. Next, you can take the next digit also. Now we have to divide 37. The next digit also you can join. So 37 is greater than 5 or less than 5?
Greater
Than 5. So you can divide 37 by 5. So see, comparison step over. Next step is division. For that, what we have to do?
We want to multiply.
Table we have to write. Table of the divisor. That means table of 5. 1 5 is?
5.
5s are? 10. 3 5s are?
15.
4 5s are?
20.
5 5s are?
25.
10. 6 5s are?
30.
30. 7 5s are?
35.
7 5s are 35. 8 5s are 40. If you are, see, we got 40 now. Our dividend is 37. If we are continuing like this, will we get?
No.
We already got a greater dividend. So we can stop the table over here, multiplication table over here. And if the exact number is not coming, what do you have to do? We have to go for a less and nearest. Less and nearest number. Here, which is the less and nearest? This is above 35 is there that we can take. So from this 35 divided by 5 is equal to how much?
7.
You can send it in the WhatsApp also.
My dear, please listen and write. Which one you want in the WhatsApp?
This page.
You don't have workbook with you now?
Yes.
Please try to complete now. Anyway, I will send it. So 7 5s are, next step is multiplication. So 7 5s are 35. We have written. What is the next step?
Subtract.
7 minus 5.
7 minus 5.
2.
2. Fingers, close 5 fingers, you will get 2. 3 minus 3?
0.
0. Here, any more digits to bring down?
No.
So we can stop the division.
No.
Here, what is the remainder?
7.
Remainder. 2. What is the quotient? 7. Okay, so what is the remainder here? 2. Have you all understood now?
Yes.
Now, next, Anlia Rose. Anlia, please read. Next question.
Yes. Ma'am, I can read.
Who is asking?
The remainder.
Next
The
question.
remainder.
Wait, Anlia. Who is asking? Can I read?
Ma'am, Hanna.
Yes, wait, dear. Let Anlia read this question. Yes, Alia, continue.
The quotient is
Hmm.
that when 80 is divided
Hmm.
by 2.
2. So when 18 is divided by 2, what is the quotient? So my dear, whether 18 is coming in the table of 2?
Yes.
Yes. Both into
Yes.
2 you get 18.
9.
Oh, 9 into 2 is equal to 18. So from this 18 divided by 2, what you will get?
9.
All of you right? 9. And next question, divide 24 by 4. All of you do now itself. Alone. 24 divided by 4. I'm going to mute you all. Do it. 24 divided by 4.
Ma'am, I
24
wrote it.
divided by 4 is not 2, it's 4.
Ma'am. 6. Ma'am.
Yes?
Ma'am, 6. Ma'am, 6. Ma'am, 6 is the answer. Ma'am, 6.
First you have to check whether it is coming in the table of
Yes,
4.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Ah.
6.
Yes. 6 fours are 24. So it will be easy. Either you can do like this. You can check 4, 4, 2. 2 is greater, less than 4. So you can put a 0 on the top. And now 24 you can take. You will get 6 fours are 24. From this 24 divided by 4 is equal to 6. And next 0, 0. So what is the quotient you got?
6.
6.
6.
You don't want to follow all these steps if you know. Answer. What is the remainder? Remainder. What is the remainder?
0.
0. Then next question. Do it. 63 divided by 9 and 15 divided by 5. You have to do as a homework. And 95 divided by 8 also I think you can do. Okay? Will you all do it?
Yes.
Here 15 you have to check whether it is coming in the table of 5. So you can continue like that. Here 63 divided by 9. Whether it is coming in the table of 9.
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
Yes.
What is the answer? What into 9 you get? 63.
7.
7. Very easy.
Yes.
So 7 9s are 63. 0 0. First 0 also. So quotient is equal to. Quotient is equal to. What is the quotient?
7.
7. Very good. What is the remainder?
0.
0.
Ma'am, I know the 12th question answer.
12th question also done. Very good.
Yes.
And your time is up. Will you do 12 and 13 now? Anyway, 10, 11. 12 is very easy. 13 is very easy.
Yes.
Try to do 12, 13, 14. Did you all do?
Okay. Yes, ma'am.
Very easy questions. And if you have any doubt, we can clear it in the next class. Okay, will you all do?
Yes.
Everybody should try to do that. Okay.
Okay. Yes.
So thank you, my dear children. Bye. See you next day.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye.
Bye.